Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add phone number on Scrabble Go application. So let's go ahead and open this Scrabble Go application to get started. Once you start loading up the app, you will end up in the main home page. From the main interface, tap on your profile picture at the top left-hand corner. Now, tap on the gear button from your profile page appearing at the top right. In the profile settings page, tap on contact. Now, you can start adding contacts by connecting your phone's contact list with Scrabble Go. Tap on add contacts to do so and then enter your mobile phone number. Now tap on the continue button and verify your phone number. You'll then receive a 6-digit verification code sent to your mobile number via SMS. Go ahead and paste in the verification code or type it in the text box. Finally, click on the submit button and you will be able to add phone number on Scrabble Go. Once you add your phone number, you'll be able to sync your phone contact details with Scrabble Go and you can then add the contacts as your friend. Adding your phone number to Scrabble Go account can be helpful for account recovery and security purposes. It may also be used for features like linking your account to friends or even receiving notifications. So that was how you can easily add phone number on Scrabble Go within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.